Hello, so today I will be working with StatCrunch on my Chapter 8 homework on question 14 of trying to find the estimate population weight, so the mean of the bear weights, and the 95% confidence interval for the mean of the weights from all of the bears. I've copied and pasted all of this data set into my StatCrunch, which is my VAR1 category. Laid out all of the information that we will need to solve this question. The first thing that we want to tackle is the estimate population of what the bears weigh, which would be the mean weight. So we're going to go to stat, we're going to go to t-tables, we're going to go to one sample with data. We're going to click the bear weight since that is where all of our data is held. And since we're already here, let's figure out the confidence interval as well, which we all know is 95%, which when we convert into a decimal, it'll be 0.95%, which StatCrunch already had. We'll hit compute, and this is where we find the answers to our questions. So you'll see here that it is 95% confidence interval. These are our results for what the interval will look like. The sample mean, which is what we were trying to find for the first half of this question, is 183.69, which you'll have to do some rounding depending on how much your teacher wants for the class, how many of the decimals they want. For my Chapter 8 homework, they wanted this decimal, so 1 decimal place, so that's how they rounded things up. For the confidence interval part, there's the L limit and the U limit, which is the still confidence interval, the L just being the lower limit and the U being the upper limit. The L limit will be 145.59, which will be this lower limit, so is the left one. And then your U limit is 221.79, which will be your upper limit, which will equate to the right information. And that is how you solve this problem using StatCrunch.